guys, this is D4. Today's video will be an unboxing video, and as you can see right here, I have a package from Amazon. Now inside is a tech that I just bought recently, and it will be my everyday carry. So without further ado, let's unbox. Yes, Amazon tends to put small boxes into bigger boxes, larger boxes. Okay. Open that up. Open the box. So we have the portable charger itself. And then the accessories. In the accessories, you have the cable itself, and you have the pouch also for you to carry your power bank. And I think that's it. And then let's open the portable charger. So this is what the portable charger looks like. It's pretty small and I really like it. I looked it up and it's actually, I thought it would be really big, but actually it's not that big compared to what my friend has. So I guess this is the smaller version. This is the PowerCore 13400 with Quick Charge 3.0. It has a capacity of 13,400 milliamps per, or 46,008 watt per hour, I guess. And yeah, it's from Anchor. So let's see if it has battery. Oh, okay. So this is also a battery indicator. So if you want to know, there it is. So it's your power button and also your battery indicator. So yeah. And you only have two ports. One is quick charge and one is a normal USB. Yeah, I think that's it for the unboxing. Okay, that is it for the unboxing. So there's not much to it. It's just a portable charger that I'll be using for my trip to LA. And for a small portable charger, it contains a lot. I mean, like, you can charge mostly, like, for me it'll be like 3 to 4 days, I guess. But first I gotta charge it to 100% first. And yeah, that is it for today's unboxing. Hope you guys like it. If you like it, don't forget to click on the like button, and if you want more videos like this, subscribe to it. Also, just leave a comment down below. And that is all from me. This is D4 signing out.